monitoring mode. We turn the device into monitoring. And as you can see on the top right hand corner of the screen, you have your time or your date, your time next to it. You can confirm what mode we're in. We are in monitoring mode. We're in adult mode. If we go down to the bottom to our little toggle switch at the bottom, if we click on that, we can change it from adult to pediatric or back to adult. Next to that, we are currently running on battery. That's how much battery time we've got left. Next to that is how long the device has been on for. Below that is our heart rate. If we turn the dial to heart rate and we click on it, we can change our settings. As you can see, we've got ECG limits, we've got alarm limits, and we've got system. So the most of it we normally use is ECG if we want it on or off. If we click on there now, we can scroll down to off, we can keep it on. We can change our sweep speed. If we click on there again, we can take it back up to default. We can also change our QRS volume by clicking onto once we confirm. Now louder. Or we can turn it off if we like. If we scroll further down, we can go back out of this menu to ECG. We can go down to alarm limits. Click on it. We can turn it on. We can change the values by changing it to green. Your upper and your lower limit. You can go back down and you can come back out and you're back onto the main screen. If I click this one more time, it'll take me to my trace size. If I click onto that, I can make my trace bigger. As you can see, my trace is much larger now. Or I can set it back down to small, or I'll leave it on default. If I change my key again, you'll see that I'm currently reading my lead 2 on my ECG cables. All right. If I click onto that, I can go down and I can change to lead 3, lead 2 again, lead 1, or I can read from pads. Alternatively, I can see I've got leads 1, 2, and 3 on the side here. If I click on this button here, the soft key, it makes it to 3, to pads, lead 1, and back to lead 2. At the bottom of the screen is our alarm suspend, and you'll see my alarms have now come off the top. If I push it again, my alarms are on. It's my menu key, so also if I click on this, I can change my settings, my alarm limits, as we just done from the top when I clicked on there, so it's just another way of getting in. And my recorder on or off. It's now printing. And I can switch it off again.